In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI API to n8n. By the end, you'll have a secure connection between your n8n workflow and OpenAI, so you can use models for tasks like generating text, summarizing content, or creating embeddings. All you need is access to n8n and a valid OpenAI API key. If you don't have a key yet, you can generate one in your OpenAI account dashboard and keep it somewhere safe. We'll paste it into n8n's credential manager, which stores it securely. Start by opening n8n and creating a new workflow. You can do this in the cloud version or your self-hosted instance. You'll land on a blank canvas where your automation will live. Look for the prompt to add your first step, or click the plus button on the canvas to add a node. In the node panel that opens, use the search bar and type OpenAI. Select the OpenAI node from the results. This is the node that lets your workflow talk directly to OpenAI's API. Once it's added to the canvas, you'll see configuration options on the right. Next, choose the action you want this node to perform. Depending on your n8n version, you might see options like making a chat completion, a text completion, or creating embeddings. The action simply tells the node what kind of request you plan to make. You can change this later as your workflow evolves. Before the node can run, you need to connect credentials. Find the field labeled credential to connect with and open the dropdown. Select the option to create a new credential. This ensures your sensitive information is stored in n8n's encrypted credential store rather than hard coding anything into the workflow. Enter your OpenAI API key in the API key field. Take care to paste it accurately and avoid sharing or displaying it anywhere public. If your OpenAI account uses an organization ID, you can add it in the optional organization ID field. If not, you can leave that blank. Some setups also let you test the connection here, which is a great way to confirm everything is configured correctly. Click Save to finish creating the credential. You should now see your new credential selected in the dropdown. With that done, your OpenAI node is authenticated and ready to use in this workflow. You can now configure the rest of the node's options for your chosen action and plug it into your automation. That's it. You've connected the OpenAI API to n8n. From here, you can chain this node with triggers, data transforms, and other services to build powerful AI-enabled workflows.